Well, Stephen, you're an impeccable writer, just amazing, but you kind of lose yourself in these fantasy stories. You might want to try a new genre, something more realistic, relatable.
I don't think that I'd be very good with the other genres.
And that's why you need to try it. I mean, you want to be a good writer, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Just try something new. Try something readers can relate to.
Right. I guess you're right. I'll take your advice, Miss Branch.
There lived a little boy in a little town. His life contained very little moments and very little surprises. Each day was just as expected as the last. He knows the same routine and follows it every day. School, homework, dinner, sleep. One day, the kid is walking down the hallway and his phone rings.
Hey, honey, are we still on for our date tonight?
The boy smiled, because tonight he knew he was going to propose. Too cliche. Plus, they aren't even old enough to get married. Okay, his phone rings and
Super Steven, this is the mayor. City Hall is under attack.
I'm on it. No, that's dumb. That's not even realistic at all.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Okay, so a kid's walking down the hall, and his phone rings, and
But soft, what hast thou needed to know us upon this bright and glimmering day?
no, that's ridiculous. No. 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 Nope. No. 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 Notebook. Mrs. Branch, I finished the story.
Oh, great. Let me see it.
Hold on. I think I lost it. Mrs. Branch.
Oh, this is great. You used your own writer's block to come up with a story? I didn't even know that was an option. Way to go, Stephen Gable.